Standard 2nd, English, chapter number 8, Grandma's Party. Continue from page number 82. Here they have given. Now read the given answer to complete the sentences. Example question: what is Rahul holding? So answer is given. Rahul is holding an umbrella. You can see in the picture that Rahul has hold umbrella. Now second question: what does the shopkeeper dash? So what is the shopkeeper doing? So answer: the shopkeeper is counting money. You can see in the picture. Okay. Question: dash Mrs. Kumar doing? What Mrs. Kumar doing? So answer will come. Mrs. Kumar is opening her purse. You can see in the picture that Mrs. Kumar is opening her purse. Okay. And afterwards, next question is dash Reena dash. So what is Reena doing? What Reena is doing? She is eating an ice cream, right? So answer will come. Reena is eating an ice cream. Now match the following. Match the sentences to their object. The shopkeeper is keeping the things. Now Priya is wearing her new dress. Sachin is holding the bat. Ranu is watching the TV. Parrots eat green chilies. So I hope that you can able to see my handwriting. I have used this old textbook and because of that I have didn't tick mark here. So don't go for that. Just use check the answers. Okay. Now here look at the picture and answer the question. Whose horse is this? Answer: it is Raja's horse. Here you can see that name is given Raja. Okay. So it is Raja's horse. So we have written here like answer. So question number 2. Whose ball is this? So one girl is there and her name is Reena. Okay. So answer will come. It is Reena's ball. It belongs to Reena's ball, right? Whose ball is this? Reena. So we will write it is Reena's ball. Now question: whose bicycle is this? You can see one girl is there and her name is Anita. So we will write answer. It is Anita's bicycle. Question: whose monkey is this? Here Mr. Roy is written. So monkey is also there. So this is Mr. Roy's monkey. Now question: whose cat is this? So you can see cat is there and whose name is Jitu. So this is Jitu's cat. You have to do apostrophe s wherever naming word it is there. Okay. Learn new words. Look and read. One child, three children means singular form it is there. At that time we will write child, but it is more than one. At that time child will convert into children. Okay. Some words change when they become more than one, as I told you. Now match the 1 to 8 more than once. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Woman, woman. WOMAN, woman. And here it is WOMAN, woman. When one lady is there at that time we will write woman. And here it will come woman. Okay. WOMAN, woman. WOMAN, woman. MAN, man. MEN, man. When one man is there at that time we will write MAN, man. And when it is more than one at that time we will write MEN, man. Now punctuate. Read the sentence and put an apostrophe s at the correct places. Okay. Now just we have to put the apostrophe s, means this you can see this comma that you have to it is called apostrophe s. So first sentence is the girls are looking at Reena's book, means naming word wherever it is there at that place you have to put apostrophe s. Here name is Reena, so we will write Reena's book. So I have put here apostrophe s. Now Punit's father looks at the stars. So here naming word is Punit. So we will do apostrophe s at the Punit's name. Now these are Ruby's shoes. So I have put here apostrophe s. My friend's sister has 2 dogs. So here I have done apostrophe s. Right. One day grandma is thirsty. She wants some cold lemonade. She finds that there are no lemons in the house. C sent Manish to buy lemons. What a short description of the preparations grandma make while she is waiting for Manish. See here that grandma don't have lemons, so she sent Manish to buy lemons. Till that, what she had done? So grandma is in the kitchen. She is pouring water in a jug. You can see in the picture that she is pouring water in the jug. She is adding some sugar in the jug. She had added some sugar in that jug. Now she is stirring the sugar and water with a big spoon. You can see in the picture that she is stirring water and sugar in the jug. Now she is taking out ice cubes from the fridge. She is taking out ice cubes. See. Now she is putting the ice cubes in the jug. Now she is taking out that ice cubes and she is keeping in the jug. The water is now sweet and cold. Now grandma is waiting for Manish to bring lemons. Now till Manish is not coming, she is waiting that when Manish will come and she will squeeze the lemon in the jug, and afterwards the lemonade is ready. But till Manish is not coming, she is waiting for him.